Hi there and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn online marketing completely free step by step from premium courses without spending a single penny. So I'm actually talking about Skillshare, which is a paid platform you may know, where people usually pays a monthly or a yearly fee to get access to their premium courses. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can gain access to their premium courses completely free for 2 months. So here I am a premium member and I'm their partner. So just take a look here. Give your friends 2 free months of Skillshare Premium. I have the ability to share my invitation link with you as my friend. So whoever watching this video, I am going to consider them as a friend. So I am actually going to attach the invitation link into the video description so that you will be able to gain access to their Skillshare Premium courses for next 2 months completely free. All right, so that you'll be able to watch any of their videos and you'll be able to learn any new skill, right? Then what I will get from that, as you can see here, you will get 2 free months, but I'm actually going to earn a free month on this platform, which will save some money for me as well. So this is a win-win situation. Now let me show you how to find the courses about online marketing. You just have to sign in with Skillshare, and after that just click on make a search here, online marketing, and hit enter or just select this one. And after coming here on this page, just click on these premium courses, and then you will find all the courses which are premium. All right, so you just have to watch any of these courses to develop your skills. As you can see, there are, let's say, 938 courses available. All right, so this is a win-win opportunity and a great opportunity, I believe, for you. So if you don't want to miss, please don't forget to check out the video description, where I will attach my invitation link so that you'll be able to get started from there. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have found this video helpful, please give this video a like and share this video to help others as well. And I have to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.